Hello, welcome back to my Java Full Stack Developer series. In this video, we are diving into the concept of objects in Java. So, understanding objects, their properties and methods is crucial because Java is an object-oriented programming language. So, let's get started. So, what is an object? In Java, everything revolves around objects. An object is a blueprint of a class, and it represents a real-world entity with properties and behaviors. So, think about a car like this. It has properties, right? Has property like color, like model, and model, and speed, and behaviors like starting, stopping, and accelerating. Okay. This is not Java language. Okay, yeah. So I talked about I told you about a class, right? So in Java, class, okay, and main here is also a class. So the class acts as the blueprint, like a template for a car. Okay, so you can create a car like this: class car. Okay, and in Java you need to uppercase the first character of the name of the class like this. And when you use the car, the class car, you need to make the car as an object. The object is actual a car like this, a car. But you will create a car based on the blueprint class car. Okay, so now we will create finish to create the car with properties and methods. So the car will have some properties like the color, what model it is, and how it runs so fast. Okay, and a car will have some method, some behaviors, right? It can start, right? I will print something for this behavior instead of do something in real work, right? The car needs to run on the road, but in this tutorial we just create something simple like print something out to the console, and we can say the message like the car is starting like this, and the car can stop, right? Car can stop. We will do the same thing for this. The car is stopping. Alright, so we just created a class, a template, or a blueprint, right? And now, right now we need to create an object an object, right? An object of the car. We will define the data type, and then we define the name of the object or the name of the variable, and then we will assign it an instance or an object by using new keyword, and then the name of the class, and then the parent is. Okay, now we just created an object for car by this syntax. Remember this? And we can now do something with this object. We can set the color for it, maybe red, and we can call the method like star, and let's run it to see something. Okay, you can see the car is starting because we just call the method star, and its behavior of this is print something into the console window here. Alright, we will dive into the class and object in Java in the future for some properties of it, like encapsulation, like constructor, inheritance, but not now. We just in these very first videos, I just show you some basic of the language, so we can get familiar more and more in some next videos. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. We will cover the objects, properties, methods, and in the next video we'll dive into flow control statements and operators in Java, learning how to control the logic and behavior of your programs and perform various operations on your data. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.